See, they hobbled you.
It's been a while since I was in a fight. I panicked. Fell back like you broke my foot.
Ornery old fool.
Well, that damn Cuba cigar got me riled up.
Charlie,
You two, wait here.
hold on there, Charlie. Hold on.
I ain't looking over my shoulder the rest of my days.
Charlie?
You said we was gonna kill them all. I aim to do just that.
Well, kill him, not murder him.
Splitting hairs, ain't you, boss?
Mister, I heard what you said. I won't come after you, I promise.
No, I expect you won't.
I could let you do it, Charlie. You do this, you ain't no different than Poole or Baxter or that gun hand of his that murdered Mose.
Them killing Mo's how this started.
Well, we come for justice, not vengeance. Now, them is two different things.
Not today, they ain't. Step aside!
Listen to him, son. You done what you had to here because they give you no choice. Don't go making this into something bad.
This ain't the way, pard.